Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Moz Pro for site audits, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.moz.com and press enter. Once the Moz homepage loads, locate the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign in button to proceed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your email address and password. Enter the email address associated with your Moz Pro account in the first field. Next, type your password into the second field. If you want the system to remember your login details for future sessions, check the Remember Me box. Once you have filled in your details, click the blue sign in button. Wait a moment while Moz verifies your credentials. If your information is correct, you will be redirected to your Moz Pro dashboard. To perform a site audit, look for the Site Audits option in the left-hand menu. Click on Site Audits to access the audit dashboard. Here, you can enter the URL of the site you wish to audit. After typing the URL, click the Start Audit button. Moz Pro will begin analyzing the site, which may take a few moments. Once the audit is complete, you will see a summary of the results. From here, you can explore detailed insights and recommendations for the site. To return to your dashboard, click on the Moz logo in the top left corner. That's it. You are now logged in and ready to conduct site audits using Moz Pro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.